So guys, first method, come to msi.com, this officially website, so you can download the MSI devices driver. After that you can see this is search icon and just enter the model number of your laptop. Okay, and then click to hit enter. Scroll down, this is your laptop, just click on it. And after that click on support. Scroll down, select the first. Okay, and just select. So you can see this is first and second, so this is model difference but driver same, and driver download and driver installations process same. Okay, select the driver and download, then click to BIOS and select the driver, then scroll down. By default select the Windows 11, so this is only support the Windows 11 operating system, this laptop. Then you can see the Bluetooth touchpad, this is management engine, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi driver, car reader driver, LAN driver, audio driver, graphic driver, camera driver, chipset driver, and all are there. Okay, so first select the Bluetooth driver, and you can see the Intel Bluetooth driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and depend about your internet speeds. So it is completed, then just single click to open, and open this file. INF installer, just open it, then just click on install tab, so just double click. After that you can see, you just click on run. Now this is installing by cmd command, and it is installing the background, and after few you just restart your system. Thank you.